Something in the air, I sense it. Like the wind has changed direction.
Ito ang unang sikreto ng asawa mo.
I-share natin. Hi, love. Alam kong di mo to in-expect. Deserve mo to. Let's capture every moment together. See you later. I love you. Love. Oh.
I can feel it. Oh, it's like the stars align. I can feel it. Tonight's the night I come alive. I can feel it. It's all coming into my view. My eyes see for miles, I'm on the move.
Since the time that I met you, ikaw pa rin yung laman ng panalangin ko araw-araw. Araw-araw ako nagpapasalamat sa Lord dahil dinala niya ako papunta sa iyo. Pinangarap kita at pinagdasal na makasama habang buhay. At ito na tayo, sisimulan ang habang buhay na puno ng pagmamahalan.
Oh, it's like the stars align. I can feel it. Tonight's the night I come alive. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Hi love, thank you for everything. You're the best gift I will ever have. I love you.
Di na pala kailangan yan.
Oo, hindi na pala.
Huwag nang buksan. Watch me win. Watch me dance.
Ito po.
Can you feel it? Oh, it's like the stars align. I can feel it. Tonight's the night I come alive. I can feel it. I can feel it. Current, electric, fire, magnetic. Oh, it's like the stars align. I can feel it.
Yema, pwede mo nang halikan ang iyong may bahay.
Finally, this is the day that the Lord has made. Ang galing lang ng timing ni Lord. Prepare niya muna tayo bago isa lang sa pangmatagalang pagsasama. Di man naging smooth sa umpisa, pero tingnan mo naman, worth it ang waiting moments natin. Love, thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for the assurance. Thank you for giving me peace and comfort. Thank you for the overflowing happiness. Thank you for loving my family. Thank you, love, for making me feel loved every day. Thank you for being my home.
You stole the light from the stars above.
Nagsama-sama po tayo ngayong hapon upang ipagbunyi po ang isa sa pinakamalagang bahagi at sandali ng ating buhay, at yun po ay ang pag-aasawa. Jemar at Windy, ito na yung sandali na iniintay ninyo pagkatapos ng maraming mga pagpapagod at pagpapagal.
And I'm falling for you. And I'm falling for you.
Nay, Tay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, sa lahat ng pag-aaruga. Pinalaki niyo ako na may takot sa Diyos. Tatanungin kong malaking utang na loob sa inyo ang maging magulang. Maging magulang kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat, nanay and tatay.
Babaunin ko yung mga reminders, yung mga paalala niya sa akin. At i-apply ko yun syempre sa mga magiging anak namin. Kasi alam kong sobrang buti niya sa akin. At saka sobrang buti lang ng Lord kasi kayo yung binigay na magulang sa akin. Ayun lang. Thank you, Nay. I love you.
And I'm falling
simula ngayon, your mother is my mother, your father is my father, and your siblings are my siblings. Ikaw yung binigay ng Lord sa akin para sa mas patibayin ako sa mga darating pang trials. Ngayon na mag-iisa na tayo, sa harap ng Lord, I still want you to say that from this day forward, I promise that I will still be a man that you deserve. I will still be a better version of myself. I vow to be a good provider for our future family, to be a good husband and a good father for our future kids.
Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you right. Till our breath is gone and we can't hold on. I wanna love.
Super blessed ako dahil yung taong kasama ko habang buhay ay yung taong pinag-pray ko. Sa pangalawang pagkakataon love ng ating kasal, masasabi kong mahal. Mahal mo talaga ako. Love, I vow to be with you through thick and thin. Iingatan, aalagaan at mamahalin ka. Ikaw hanggang sa huli. Pangako, araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Mahal kita.
I will still be more patient husband. I will still be your alarm clock with snooze of kisses. I promise that I will cook for you, and I promise that I will continue to love you forever. I love you.